1 year.
1 year.
1 year. So it's going to take time for people to know that it's there. But this, I guarantee you, this will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet. Guaranteed,
Yes.
right? So I'll make you an offer, right? And I just want a yes or no. The offer is $250,000 that you asked for 20%.
I'll do it for 15.
Mark, would you do
No.
15?
No, because I know where I can get you placed. You know, I can get you where you would be seen. I know if I put my name on it and get it out there and said people should
All
buy
the
it.
same for me. I have products in every big box
Yeah,
retailer.
but he's Chef Wonderful and he's everything else.
Mark,
You have a deal.
Crazy. Well done. Well done. Yes, absolutely.
That was horrible negotiating.
I tried.
he tried. He's a tough cookie.